Hey everyone, I'm Arun back again with another video today. So today in this video, I'm going to explain the solution of this question from textbook Spreadsheet Modeling and Decision Analysis of question number 32, which is Zippy motorcycle manufacturing produces two popular pocket bikes, the miniature motorcycle with 49cc engine, the Razor, and the Zoomer. In the coming week of the manufacturer wants to produce 700 bikes and wants to ensure the number of razors produced does not exceed the number of Zoomer by more than 300. So in this question, they've divided the question into three parts. First one is to formulate an LP model, then sketching of the feasible reason, and then finally in the part C, what is the optimal solution. So I covered all the three parts using Excel graph method. So let me show you the Excel file. So this one is our part A, which we need the formulation of the question. So I've taken two variables, R and Z. R is the number of razors produced, and Z is the number of zoomers produced. Objective is to maximize it. Now this one is our part A, and then this one is our graphic solution. So this one, the graph has 4 constraints, and this is our optimal solution, 20, 240, and 420, and then this is our feasible reason. So this is created using Excel graphical method, and these all are the points here covered. So to get this file, you can just reach me out over my WhatsApp and email address, which I'm sharing my details in the description part of this video. And thanks for watching this video. Have a good day. Bye.